What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you all know, Mboyiseni Ndlozi is a man of few words, and on Twitter, he has just posted this picture of Steve Biko, and he just posted that picture and said nothing else. But in that silence, he has said a lot, because if you look at some of the quotes by Steve Biko, you will see that Mboyiseni Ndlozi is actually saying a lot of things. Some of the quotes by Steve Biko say that as angry as we have a right to be, let us remember that we are in the struggle to kill the idea that one kind of a man is superior to another kind of a man. So these are some of the responses by Mboyiseni Ndlozi after news has circulated that he has been suspended from the EFF and he is also going to be recalled from the parliament. And another quote also goes on to say that I'm going to be as I am, and you can beat me, jail me, or even kill me, but I'm not going to be what you want me to be. So Mboyiseni Ndlozi is going to remain as he is. He is not going to change himself and try to be somebody else whom he isn't. And this post has gone really viral on social media with just that picture. You can see that Mboyiseni Ndlozi is a character who is very much loved by the people, and also even by some members who are not even for the EFF, who are in the ANC and MK. They love Mboyiseni Ndlozi so much that they wanted him to be the deputy president of the EFF. But unfortunately for them, it didn't happen that way, because the EFF and Julius Malema, they were seeing Mboyiseni Ndlozi as someone who is more like a spy who is working with Floyd Shivambu. But this is the response by Mboyiseni Ndlozi. He is not going to change himself to become someone whom he isn't. But there is one thing some people pointed out that, okay, this might be a secret message that Mboyiseni Ndlozi is trying to convey to the people. Well, it just turned out that when Mboyiseni Ndlozi posted this picture on 18 December, it was just Steve Biko's birthday, and Mboyiseni Ndlozi was just celebrating his birthday, and he was just celebrating his birthday, or maybe he was showing emotional intelligence by responding to Julius Malema. Mboyiseni Ndlozi is undoubtedly the smartest in the South African political landscape. If he chooses to fully engage in this aggressive political chess game, no one is going to stand a chance, not Malema, Zuma, or Fred, or anybody else. He may have already begun playing the chess game with this post that is just posted. And Mboyiseni Ndlozi is not an irrational person. He is just going to sit back, watch, calculate, and plot on his next move. And his next move is definitely not going to MK Party. He is going to wait till his time comes for him to return back into the CC team.